A quick unbox, unbag. And this one came a while ago. I know what it is, so I didn't open it. But I want to get a good look at them. eBay deal. I think I put it in my kit.com. Kit.com is a website link. You'll find the links in most of my videos. I gotta put the last few in. Well, they're not bad. Anyway, kit.com will give you a list of all the parts. When I have a parts thing like this, they'll all be in my kit on kit.com. And there'll be a link in the video for that. If you don't see it in the video immediately, look back a few videos of the older videos. They all have the kit.com link in them. I'll get the link in the new one videos when I can here. Oh, they're not bad. They're small. I don't think they'll shatter too brittle, you know. I think they're pretty good plastic. I'm abusing this one a little bit. I think they'll do. And being small is kind of nice for some of the products I have in mind for it. Which may not all be speaker connections, we'll see though. And someone commented on me leaving my address visible in a few videos. If you could read my address and want to send me something, great. I'm not going to be here that much longer, so I'm not that paranoid about people finding my address. There's nothing of value in this house anyway, except for my computer. Wow. Are you freaking kidding me? A whole box? Just to send this little box? Okay. And this is one of the batteries I ordered for a camera. I've never tried this brand before. Let's rip it to shreds here. So this is the single battery I bought for a new camera I got. A ELF friend gave to me actually. ELP Canon compact camera. ELPH or something like that. In my recent video that'll be coming on shortly after this one, or before it probably actually, from Meyer Gardens in my channel Hills and Streams. Not my Hill or Stream channel, but my Hills and Stream channel, which is a small channel, just nature videos. So there's quite a few new releases in that channel if you haven't been there a while. And this is kind of a battery. No. Oh, this is a memory card. They gave me a separate adapter and a separate box. I thought I ordered two of these though. Guess I only got one, huh? I'll have to check that order. I thought I ordered two. I may have dropped it down to one. It's a high-speed card. It's off-brand. I haven't heard of before, so I'm taking a kind of risk, but I don't think it's a fakey fake. We'll see. If it works, I'll put it in my kit. If it doesn't work, I won't put it in my kit. All this stuff will be in my kit eventually. Now here's two batteries for my main camera, because I lost my other two batteries at Meyer Gardens, which is what my videos are about. Not losing the battery, but Meyer Gardens. And this is a charger for, oh no, this is a little vaporizer. This is more of a play item. I got some things I'm considering using it for, but basically a play item at this point. It makes a mist, and it's got LEDs. I think it's color changing LEDs, we'll see. Maybe I'll give it a try later. I was just throwing money away. And phone rings, which hardly ever happens. And I'm sure it's BS. Oh, here's the other memory card, just like the other one. And I'm gonna get that phone. Cool. These LEDs are so bright they kind of burnt my retina for a little while there when I stared right at them. I wasn't staring at them, but my head was over the top of the thing. It's not making as much fog as I thought it would. It's making the stream of water come out almost. I don't know how that's happening. It's probably just because I need more water in this, a little deeper dish than this. Wow, different container, a little deeper. I think I'm a little too deep right now. But you can see it's fogging quite nicely. What a cool effect. I think that's about more optimal in terms of just producing. Yeah, maybe a little. Right in there is pretty good. It's less big stuff coming up. Nearly to the top of the thing. Like I said, the LEDs are very bright. It's creating quite a nice fog here. If nothing else, this would make a very nice travel humidifier. You know, for those real dry rooms in the winter if you're going skiing or something. Wow. That's quite productive.